In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify tutorial, how to add an AI chatbot that talks, easy to learn guidance. We're going to add a talking AI chatbot to your Shopify store using the Shopify Admin and a simple app installation. Make sure you're logged into the correct store in your Shopify Admin so everything you click applies to the right place. Start on your Shopify dashboard and look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Apps and open it. This is where you'll manage anything you install and where you can head to the app marketplace. Inside Apps, you'll see a search area. Click into the field that's highlighted on your screen and type your query. If you're browsing, terms like AI Chatbot will surface relevant options. The highlight is there to guide you to the right input so you can quickly find the tool you need. Once search results load, use the filter that says Free Plan Available. Go ahead and select that. This helps you try the chatbot without committing to a paid plan right away, which is perfect for testing on a live store or staging theme. Choose a chatbot app from the results and click Install on its listing page. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to glance over the description, screenshots, and recent reviews so you know what features you're getting and whether it fits your needs. When Shopify prompts you, click Install again to confirm. You'll see a permissions screen. Review the access it requests, then continue. This is normal for apps that need to display a widget, read product info, or assist with customer conversations. After installation finishes, you'll be returned to your apps list in Shopify. Find the newly installed chatbot. Here it's labeled Chatty, and click it to open the setup area. Inside the app, follow the on-screen guide. Click the highlighted controls the app points out. These typically walk you through enabling the chat widget and choosing basic options. When you're ready to begin the onboarding flow, click Get Started. The app may show a few short screens to confirm default settings. Continue by clicking Next as prompted, reviewing each screen so the chatbot behaves the way you expect. If the app highlights specific fields, make sure those are completed or toggled as indicated before moving forward. When you reach the last screen, click Finish. Give your store a quick refresh and look for the new chat bubble on your storefront. If you don't see it immediately, wait a moment and refresh again. That's it. Your AI chatbot is installed and ready to greet visitors, answer common questions, and help